Всем йоу, подписчики моего канала. И у нас нет с вами The Walking Dead. Всем желаю приятного просмотра. А я начинаю. Не слышно, ребят. Ага. Плохо, плохо. Третий долгий поезд.
Looks like this is our lucky day.
Нам повезло.
Yeah, this might actually go smoothly.
We deserve it after last time.
Предыдущий раз. Нам так повезло.
Lee, where do you come down on staying or going?
You mean packing up the motel and getting in the RV?
Yeah, we've been talking about it, but you made up your mind yet?
We should go. The motel's run its course, and it's not safe.
You're damn right it has. We pile into the RV and don't pull over till we see water. And if Lily's dead set on staying, then, well, that's the way it goes. Okay, just like last time. Over the rig, into the pharmacy, and scrape together whatever supplies are left.
We didn't leave much in there.
Hey, we're out of options. Something's better than nothing. Shit.
You okay?
The ladder's come loose. I'm not sure how many more trips she's got in her.
I'm not sure how many more trips we've got in us.
No kidding.
Looks like she's had it.
What now?
I'll find another way out.
Better get a move on.
Looks like it still works.
Lily's not doing so good, huh?
Well, we killed her dad.
We did kill her dad.
Ничего не скажешь, тогда нам пришлось что-то хоть делать. Иначе нам бы конец-то. Еще пару часов мы поспешили. Да, уже все ребята, помните, мы делали там. И если бы хоть чуть-чуть промедлили, мы бы тогда уже трупы были. Так что мы делали все, что могли.
The girl still upset with you for agreeing to take that stuff from the station wagon?
I think she understands.
Hope so. Not like we had much choice.
Right.
Duck was asking about that guy at Herschel's farm last night.
Really? I wasn't sure it fazed him.
Of course it did.
What'd he say?
He just woke up in the middle of the night, screaming his head off. He thinks he killed Herschel's son.
Oh, Christ. I'm sorry.
Fact of the matter is, we did.
You're sure you're up for this?
Lee, I'm fine. I've got this.
Я
Give me your hand.
правильно, давай сюда руку. Может, ставишь.
Shit!
Справился, блин. Тихо. Странно. Ладно.
Jesus. You okay?
I'm fine. Shit. I'm sorry, pal. I thought it'd be healed up better.
You're lucky it wasn't any worse. You could have...
Да ё-моё. Опа.
Help me! Somebody help me! Oh God! Oh God!
What the hell is that? A walker?
Walkers don't scream, do they?
Jesus, I don't think so.
Да нет.
It's a girl. We have to help her.
How? There's no getting to her.
We gotta do something. Fuck. We gotta shoot her. Put her out of this
They
misery.
don't know we're here.
What do you mean?
I mean, we leave her alive, and she draws them all to her, buying us time. Think about it. We're always worrying about the ones we can't see. She stays alive and brings them all out of their holes.
Согласен. Хоть это неправильно, но мы должны делать.
Good. Let's go. She'll keep
Идем,
busy.
она займет их. Да, она их займет на время. Это время. Это нам и нужно. Время. Пока мы все здесь обчистим. По-быстрому все делаем. Быстро. Время у нас мало. Нам нужно будет время какое-то.
We should be good to clear this place out, but we ain't got all day. Get everything you can out of these racks. Don't forget underneath the counter this time. I'll clear down here and then we gotta go.
Все, здесь мы идем отсюда. Вася, мы уйдем, а только все заберем. А быстро, время мало. Вещи. Так, все забираем, все, что найдем. Просто все, что найдем. Так, куда быстро, куда быстро. Так, она их займет. Все.
She's gone. There's not much time now.
Так, ладно, времени еще хватит. Давай. Давай, времени ничего нет. Нарядом, давай. Давай, иди, времени навалом. А все, это все, что осталось. Все остальное хватит.
I think that's everything.
Это все.
That girl didn't die for nothing then. Up and over. We're still clear. Let's hustle.
Kenny!
Да ё-моё, ребята. Ё-моё, отвалите. Окей, спасай. Братан, давай сюда. Спасай. Спасибо. Перестреляй. А нет, стреляй. Так. На, тварь. Опа.
Out. Let's fucking get out.
Все, валим отсюда. Да ёлки. Вот свали, тварь. Так, вот тебе. Свали, сказал. Ну все, тварь. Получи, порвался. На. Ты бросал? Тварь. На. Все, мисками. Давай валим отсюда.
Let's go, pal.
Валим. Все, есть. Мы выбрали живыми. Капец. Фу. Выбрались так выбрались.
you're back. Ben found some stickers in a drawer, and I put them on my walkie.
Hey, Sweet Pea. That's neat. I'll find you in a minute.
Ладно, сейчас нужно еще дальше идти.
Looks like we got the kid on watch again.
What'd you get?
We might as well leave a sign out that says the men are gone and come and rape our women and children.
Huh.
Ха.
So, what did you get?
Достали.
Just what was left.
Which was a lot, actually.
Довольно
Take a look.
Смотри.
We're fine, by the way.
Nice work. This'll keep us going.
Ну, потянем.
If we carry on like this, we'll get through the winter here.
The winter? We'll freeze our asses off here.
Because piling into an RV with you two, after what you did to my dad, is so appealing.
Why wouldn't it be? You know I'll do what it takes to keep everyone safe.
We're already safe.
We have to go eventually, Lily.
We don't have to do anything.
You didn't want to go because of your dad's health, but he's gone now.
Easy, Kenny.
At it again, are we?
Can it, Carly?
Нормально, как.
Don't boss people around.
I'm sorry. Somebody needs to make executive decisions for the group, though. And I don't think you're capable anymore.
We're strongest together. It can't be you versus us, Lily. We're sorry for what happened to your dad, but we're in this together now.
What about the food situation? What about protection? What about when this place falls? Somebody's got to be thinking about this shit.
How has this not been working? We have everything we need.
Because of me, Lily.
That's BS, Kenny. And you...
We got plenty of food from that station wagon.
We can't just keep our fingers crossed for more station wagons.
Everything that happens to us is another excuse for you to pull this crap about leaving. All I want is a week of peace, of not hearing it.
О, боже.
Do you know how we got these supplies? We got lucky and let a girl get eaten out there.
What?
Some girl came screaming out of an alley. She had dead hanging all over her. She gave us enough time to get everything we could out of the drugstore.
And you just let her suffer like what? Like bait? God, what is happening?
She was dead anyway. It made the most sense in the moment.
Lee's right. We've been putting our lives on the line doing these runs into the city. You wouldn't believe the shit we see.
We all appreciate it, Ken.
You should be thanking Lee for not shooting that girl.
It's not so easy for him.
Так легко.
Look, Macon and its people aren't savable. It's not a town. It's full of walkers. And the people who were left are dying and wandering out onto the streets. It's hell on earth. And it's coming. This way.
It's not going to be easier out on the road!
How would you know?
What I know? I know you're not above murder. I know somebody has been stealing our supplies. That's right, stealing! And I know the list of people I can trust here gets smaller every day. Now everybody get out!
Вылетайте отсюда. Да, это было трудно.
She'll get over it.
She's riling everybody up otherwise.
You understand, Ken.
She's right about one thing. None of this is getting any easier.
Things are coming to a head.
You could say that.
Well, I think you did good today. And I find myself thinking that most days.
Thanks.
Спасибо.
It's probably worth following up with Lily about what she was saying about missing supplies. With her wound up the way she is, I don't want to see her paranoid.
No question.
Да уж.
And I'd like to talk when you've got a minute.
Вот одну минутку. К Ли дойдем все же. Не хочу за нее говорить, ну ладно. Ну надо.
I'm sorry.
Извини.
You don't have to
Не
apologize.
надо извиняться.
Did you come in here to give me hell or to coddle me?
Ну ладно.
I wanted to follow up on what you said about stolen supplies.
Do you know what's going on?
I don't. I just heard you mention it.
And you came in here to confess?
I'm not stealing shit. I came in here to help.
There's a traitor. Somebody, one of us, out there. He or she or they have been taking things.
for real? Who? What do you got?
Yes, for real. And I don't have shit. I just know.
Lily.
The count's off and it's the good stuff. Antibiotics, oxy, fuck, anything with opium in it.
I see the count, and it's fine.
I keep my own. That one's getting messed with. I'm a fucking mess right now, but I'm not stupid. I know what happens if I start a witch hunt.
So you want me to start one?
I want you to poke around.
What's there to go on?
I found this tossed into the garbage.
Huh.
We don't toss out equipment, we fix it. You'd only try to get rid of a flashlight if you were using it when you shouldn't.
Okay, I'll poke around a little bit.
Thank you. If you don't find anything, I'm just going to assume it's you.
A mystery.
Jesus, Doc.
I'm sorry. I heard you guys talking.
You need to unhear all of that.
Can I help?
What did I just say?
You're the Grace detective, and I can be Dick Grayson, your ward. That's Robin.
I know who it is. You can't help. And if you tell anybody, it will be trouble.
Secrecy.
Did you hear what I just said?
I won't tell a soul.
The part about not helping? You can't help.
I will live in the shadows.
Пойдем к Карли будем.
Talk to Lily yet?
Yeah, she thinks supplies have been walking away.
Really?
There's some broken equipment too. I'll look into it.
Thanks for doing that. What I wanted to say was, I've been thinking a lot about you.
I think about you too.
Our group is small.
You're small.
You're a convicted killer.
Carly, Jesus.
And I think people should know. Not because they deserve to, and not because you're a bad man. I think the opposite of those two things. People need to know because we're hanging by a thread here, and I can't see Lily talk about you without thinking it's the next thing she's going to say. You don't have to tell everyone, but think about who you trust and take the opportunity while you have it.
You're probably right.
Of course I'm probably right. People might be pissed, and telling them might cause some trouble, but it will be a far cry from what'll happen if they don't hear it from you.
Yeah.
So you'll do it then?
I'll let people know. You're totally right.
Good. I think it's for the best. Don't call me small. Now, is there anything else you want to talk about?
I'm gonna look into this thing.
Good idea.
Всем расскажу. Потом.
Hey, Clementine.
Hey, Lee.
Привет, Ли.
Clem, I need to talk to you for a second.
Okie dokie.
Ладненько.
The day you and I met, I was in a car accident.
I remember. Your leg was bleeding.
The car I was in was a police car, and I was on my way to jail for committing a crime. I need to tell you now, because I don't want you to hear it any other way.
Okay.
Do you have anything to say?
I don't think so.
You can go on back to your things. Hey, Clementine.
Hey, Lee.
You didn't accidentally break a flashlight, did you?
No. Did Duck say I did?
No. Did Duck break the flashlight?
I don't think so. He's just always blaming me for stuff.
Like what?
Putting a bug on his pillow?
Did you do that?
Yes.
Ну, это дети все. Все же это дети.
Hey, you two. How you doing?
We're okay.
Нормально.
Just having a little spat.
We all carry guns now, and I don't like it.
Мне нравится.
It's the way it's gotta be.
I know, but I'm not getting used to it. I'm sorry. How are you, Lee?
Kenny, you got a second? I need to tell you something.
Sure, pal. What you got?
В чем дело?
It's serious.
Oh, no. What'd the she-devil do to you?
Shut up, man.
Накройся.
I was, on my way to prison 3 months ago.
No shit.
No shit.
Ну да.
It wasn't for touching kids, was it?
Oh, man, come on, man.
What? I gotta ask.
No. I killed a guy in a fight.
Во время драки.
Must have been a real piece of shit if you had to haul off and kill him.
So we're straight then.
Lee, look at everything this mess has got us doing now. I'm sorry you went through whatever you went through.
Да, мы
Yeah, we're straight.
Ха. Ну, такое дело. Наша честность.
Hi, guys. Can I talk to you about something?
Sure.
Конечно.
Is everything okay?
Не знает, поэтому все будет в порядке. Думаю.
I was, on my way to prison 3 months ago. You've always looked at me with kind eyes. I wonder if you could still do that if you, knew I was a convicted felon.
My goodness, for what? How much trouble can a teacher get into?
Well, plenty. But it had nothing to do with that. It was for murder.
Why?
He and my wife,
That's enough.
Достаточно.
Tell me what happened when you were locked in the fridge at the dairy.
I held Lily back, and Kenny made sure Larry didn't get up.
What did he do?
Что он сделал?
He smashed his head in.
Что оставалось? Если бы он вернулся, нам бы всем не понравилось. Катя.
Katja.
Everything keeps changing.
Продолжает меняться. Что остается? Ситуация. Мы должны думать о себе. Так, стоп, куда я пошел? Как болван. Так, ладно, нужно с телефоном поговорить.
Hey, Ben.
What's up, Lee?
Поговорили.
Hey, Ben, I need to tell you something.
Surely. Is it about my watch? I'm trying to do a good job.
You're doing fine. I was, on my way to prison before this.
Whoa, seriously? What, were you in for?
It's not important.
Oh,
Just, if you hear anything, it's probably true. And now you know.
thanks for trusting me, man.
Ben, relax.
Okay.
Хорошо. Все окей, все знают. Все хоть знать. Все знать все будут. Ходить ничего нет, ладно.
Chalk.
Pink.
Duck.
A clue.
Maybe.
What do you think it is?
I thought I told you you couldn't help.
I'm curious.
You don't say.
Maybe it's a sign.
It could be. It's pink chalk, which is weird.
Okay, back to investigating.
Вот он, дурак. Я хотел скопление. Так, ладно. Крем? Да не, она не могла. Чё? Девочка, ничего не могла хоть делать. Только это случайно.
Hey, Clementine.
Hey, Lee.
Do, you have any pink chalk?
No, it's gone somewhere. Do you want blue?
No, it's okay.
Psst, Lee. I found something.
What is it?
I found this piece of pink chalk and a scuff of it over by the gate.
Really?
Totally. I was combing the scene for clues
Yeah,
and...
Duck, I got it. Good job.
Молодец. О, блин, издеваешься сейчас.
Cool.
Somebody was over here, too.
Здесь.
I suppose I should go out there and look around. You stay here this time. Seriously.
Okay.
Ладно. Так, окей, что нам там можно найти? Тут за вентиляция. И... Что?
Son of a bitch.
Блин. Антибиотики, сатаной, лекарства.
You haven't come up with anything, have you?
I came up with this.
Вот это.
It's got a bunch of meds in it. It was in a grate on the outside wall. And there's a sign on the other one.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Да. Да.
Okay, we line everybody up. Everybody.
Я.
Somebody is killing us. Stealing from that supply is the same as slipping into your room at night and cutting your throat while you sleep. You die. What is the difference? What if Clementine gets sick and we don't have what we need? What the hell?
Что?
You don't fucking steal from us! Who the fuck is that? Y'all
got our people out there.
Out here. We ain't fucking around!
What do we do?
Oh,
Lily.
shit! They're gonna start kicking in doors any second.
Lily, what the hell are you...
Stall them.
What?
Just keep them talking.
Болтаю.
Do whatever it takes to stop him pulling the trigger.
You made the biggest mistake of your life!
Shit.
Enough of this bullshit!
Молодец.
Drew, stop putting your boot to these doors! Yeah!
Да.
Hold it, asshole!
Take it easy.
Спокойно.
We have more supplies. We can keep the deal going.
Too late, shithead!
Ладно.
We ain't giving second chances.
Шанса.
It was a mix-up. We'll make it worth your while.
Тестируем.
I'm listening.
Слушаю.
We can split the supplies. Spread them around.
Or we could just kill you and take it all!
Все.
And what about when they run out?
Хочется.
When you don't have us out there collecting them for you?
Well, I suppose we ought to hash out some terms then.
I don't like no hash.
Man, shut up, bro! Christ!
Oh shit!
Дай. Пушку мне сюда. Да, я сразу его мочу. Вот это, я сразу мочу. Ах ты, блин, знову получил. Ах ты, блин, напали на нас.
Get back there! Smoke him out!
Выкорнем его.
We gotta get out of here!
No shit!
Get those bastards! Cover our people and get them to the RV!
Классная идея. Насрато. Дед, туда.
Go around the shit for three. He's back there.
Давай, туда. Ага, минус. Ага, минус.
Now, get over here. Hurry.
Скорее.
Man, you saved our asses. Get inside.
Сюда, сюда.
Help!
Помогите.
Katya, hang on.
Держитесь. О, нет, куда нам не хватало.
Where is he?
Топори.
Behind that van. Get your asses around
Ты,
behind.
не хватало здесь. Давай, я. Давай. Ну, балкон. Ну, уезжай, да. На.
Katya, hurry, come on.
Есть. Попал.
Get inside the RV. It's gonna be okay. Go.
О, нет. Нет, тварь.
Oh, Christ.
Господи.
Lily, get in the RV. Screw her. Let her stay.
Остается. Зомби. Не хватало. На, тварь. На, тварь. А, я чувствую с тобой. На, тварь. Заводи, заводи. Все, вот.
Last chance. Get down here.
Да, спускайся.
Shit!
Блин. Все, бежим отсюда. Есть. Ушли.
Kat, Jesus, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I'm sorry.
Everything's fine, Ben.
Everything's not fine. We need to figure out how this happened. We just lost everything.
Well, we're lucky as shit to have this
And
RV.
nobody died.
Kat's head is split
I'm
open.
fine.
Somebody in here caused this.
Settle down back there. The bandits have had our number for weeks.
This is different. Somebody was working with them. Whoever it was slipping them our meds. They didn't get their last package, so they attacked.
Calm down back there. That's nuts.
Lee found a bag of supplies hidden outside the wall.
It's true.
So, Carly, is there something you want to say? Please. We have to get it out of you then.
Back off.
You're in no position to make demands.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're just pointing fingers.
Harley's trustworthy. She's not a traitor, Lily.
Thank you, Lee.
She can fight her own battles. Unless there's something going on here that implicates you both.
Don't be ridiculous.
Like, look, maybe we should vote or something like that.
Vote?
What?
Just look. Carly's a stand-up gal, and maybe this was all just a mistake.
Lily, stop waving the finger at everybody. We know something's going on, and we can get to the bottom of it if we keep our heads.
I know what we found.
I know, Lily. I know.
Nobody was stealing anything.
Was it both of you?
What?
I've seen you two together. Was it both of you?
Look, just let me out. I didn't do it, but I don't like this. I don't like where it's headed.
Look me in the eyes and tell me you didn't have anything to do with it.
Lily, lay off of him.
Shit!
What's going on up there?
I hit something. We gotta stop.
All right, well, we can deal with this now then.
Kenny, is it safe?
Should be.
Everybody out.
Lily.
Out.
Выход. Так, детей нельзя выпускать. Их опасно. Так. Что у нас? Ага, понятно.
Kenny, the RV has some surface damage, but there's a walker trapped underneath.
God damn it. Everyone keep your eyes peeled.
You know what? We shouldn't just kick you out. We should hear what everybody thinks.
I think you should chill out.
I'm not gonna take this. You can push Ben around, but you can't push me around.
I'm really sorry you feel that way. I'm starting to think maybe it was both of you.
I'm not doing this.
Come on, Lee. You're the one who found them. You can't just abstain.
Fuck all that. This is nuts. We're out here on the side of the road.
Okay, fine then. Kenny?
I don't know. Fuck. Just stop, would you?
Well, your vote counts for you and Katja.
We don't need all these votes. What do I have to do for you to trust me? I'll do anything. I'll do watches for months.
Huh, the hell you will.
Stop panicking. Seriously, Ben. You need to stop and just take a breath.
Do we need any more evidence than this?
Fuck evidence. Stop treating him like this.
Shut up, Carly. Ugh, I've heard enough out of you. Kenny, what's it gonna be?
Just give me a damn minute.
Ben, you have until that walker is dealt with to tell me it was her and not you.
Stop this. You're torturing him.
No.
Ben, stop. This is about trust, and I've never trusted you.
Lily, lay off.
I can't, Lee. You know I can't.
Thank you, Lee. Please, listen to him.
Please don't kick me out of the group.
We won't.
Tell me. Now.
There. I got him. Please, let's just get back in
That's
the RV.
not happening.
You think you're some tough bitch, don't you? Like nothing can hurt you. But you're just a scared little girl. Get the fuck over it. Take a page from Lee's book and try helping somebody for once.
Now, what the fuck's the problem?
Что? Ах ты ж.
Drop it.
Holy fuck.
Kenny, what's happening?
Keep duck away from the windows. Jesus Christ. Get in. We're leaving this crazy bitch.
She couldn't be trusted, Lee. I swear. Please.
You're not coming with us.
I'll die out here.
I don't care.
You're a murderer, Lily. We can't have you with us.
I'm a murderer? You've had Lee with you this whole time.
I don't care what he did before.
You know?
Yeah, he told me. I don't give a shit. If we keep you with us, how long until you get me?
I was trying to protect all of us. I don't have anything left.
Get in, Lee. Let's go, you guys.
Это значит, что здесь. Выбора нет. Значит, погиб. Офигеть. Ну, уезжаем отсюда, решаем.
Lee, a word, please?
Так, неким.
What's up?
Перспектива не очень.
Is Duck feeling all right?
Все чувствует. Только не это.
What the fuck?
Happened during the raid.
Время налета.
What's the plan? We've never had a bite victim in the group before.
I'm going to keep an eye on him and see what I can do from a medical perspective.
We keep the same plan unless something changes. East.
Guys.
What else is there to do? We thought you should know.
Important to stay honest with each other.
Anyway, if you could tell Clementine, we would appreciate it.
Опа. Нет, все же ничего не знает. Ну ладно, поставим курс домой и...
Duck is bitten.
Huh?
Что?
He got bit by a walker trying to escape the motel.
I don't feel good. What about Carly?
Gone, but won't come back.
'Cause she was shot in the head.
That's right. It's horrible.
Yeah, it is.
I'm glad I have you.
Me too. I heard you outside my treehouse that day and thought about dropping a hammer on your head.
What? Why?
In case you were up to no good. Before you, there was this other guy. He was yelling and trying to get into my house. He wanted to take the TV and tried to break the glass door with a rock. Then some walkers came and scared him away.
The door was open.
He was dumb.
Fuck! What happened? Holy shit! Get off of me!
Это сон, офигеть. Не спали.
We got something up ahead.
Спи.
Damn it. Road's blocked.
Было заблокировано.
Now we gotta deal with this.
15.
Is there any way to get around it?
Doesn't look like it. On foot, maybe. Can't really afford to do that now.
This seems like a safe area. All this brush will stop anything from creeping up on us.
Why don't you and I go look around?
Yeah, everyone else relax. Claire, stay close to Kenny and Kat, okay?
Lee, if you come across anything to drink, if there's a dining car or something, I think Duck's a bit dehydrated.
It's a freighter, hon. Be careful in there.
What, you think there might be something dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Hadn't crossed my mind.
Ну, ребята, пора прощаться. Всем пока, ставьте лайки, подписывайтесь на канал, оставляйте комментарии, я их обязательно прочитаю. Отвечу и на ваши вопросы. Если там МВК. Потихоньку. Картинка скопирована из Мордокома. Также не имеется скайп. Потихоньку Паша, картинка. Картинка Шедо Соника также не имеется Инстаграм. Голден не Скорпион. Также не имеется Дискорд. Скорпион не Дарк. Клетка 7267. Ребята, и всем пока. Вот наберите 5 лайков. Пока-пока.